Talislanta is the epic TTRPG that after 35 years and 6 editions still has no elves. But if there aren't any elves in Talislanta, what are there? Well, there's a Mardi Gras barbarian. This guy is pretty scary, and if you're in the mood for something hairy, you can be a sloth man. There's a dino with 2 heads, and beasts your players will dread. Yet I flutter like a moth instead unto my sloth man. Though your character can float on wings, or have body parts that sting. Why, you can even be a bard that sings! Yet in my heart I know what's true. Why no other beast would do. So I shall do what I must slowly do, and be a sloth man.